In today's video, we're going to talk about something every VPN user deals with sooner or later, and that's connection problems. There's nothing more frustrating than relying on a service to keep you secure, and then your connection drops, slows to a crawl, or refuses to connect right when you need it. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley. In this video, we're looking at IPVanish and the simple fixes that actually work when you run into issues, whether you're trying to stream, browse, or protect your data online. We're going to cover what IPVanish is, its key features, and the most frequent causes of connection problems. After that, we'll walk through some practical solutions so you can troubleshoot on your own device. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics. What is IPVanish? IPVanish is a virtual private network, aka VPN, that gives users a secure way to browse the internet. When you turn it on, your traffic gets routed through a remote server, hiding your real IP address and encrypting your data, so outsiders can't see the sites you visit, the apps you open, or the content you access. The service supports a wide range of platforms like Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Fire TV, and so much more. IPVanish also lets you connect an unlimited number of devices under one subscription, which makes it super convenient if you have multiple phones, tablets, laptops, or streaming devices in your home. Like most reputable VPNs, IPVanish uses strong encryption standards and claims a no logs policy. This means it doesn't track your browsing activity, connection times, or files that you access. People use IPVanish for privacy, streaming, file sharing, and bypassing geographic restrictions. Features like a kill switch, split tunneling, and WireGuard support all help keep your connection stable and your identity hidden. Understanding what the service offers helps make sense of why certain issues happen and which troubleshooting steps actually solve them. Now let's get into some of the key features. So one of IPVanish's most appealing features is its unlimited device policy. Many VPN companies cap you at 5 to 10 connections, but IPVanish lets you secure as many devices as you want. This makes it a great option for families, small offices, or anyone who uses a lot of tech. IPVanish has a large network of servers across dozens of countries. Choosing from different locations just gives you so much more flexibility, whether you want a server closer to home for speed or in another region for accessing different content. The encryption IPVanish uses is AES 256 paired with protocols like OpenVPN and IPv2 and WireGuard. WireGuard is known for being fast and efficient, and many users see improved performance after switching to it. The kill switch and split tunneling feature help you control what happens if your VPN disconnects or if you want certain apps routed through the VPN. Some plans previously included a bundled cloud storage option through SugarSync. While this isn't always included today, the integration was designed for people who wanted encrypted backup storage alongside their VPN service. Despite these strengths, even the best VPN can run into issues. Slow speeds, disconnections, or failures to connect are the most common complaints. Thankfully, most are easy to fix once you understand what's causing them. So now let's go ahead and get into the common issues and fixes. So connection problems with IPVanish usually fall into a few categories: failure to connect, random disconnect, or slow speeds. Here are how these issues can typically show up and some real-world examples to help you easily match symptoms to causes. So number one is basic connection issues. Often the problem isn't actually IPVanish, it's the underlying internet connection. For example, if you're on a hotel Wi-Fi with a weak signal, the VPN tunnel may fail to stay connected. If your home router hasn't been restarted in a while, it can cause instability no matter what VPN you use. As a quick fix, restart your router or move closer to the Wi-Fi access point. This solves more connection problems than people expect. Number two is outdated VPN app. So if the app refuses to connect or keeps throwing errors, outdated software is a very common cause. As an example, if a user tries to connect on Windows and keeps getting failure to authenticate message, updating the app to the latest version resolves it instantly. So just always make sure you have the newest version. On desktop, running the app as an administrator can clear driver-related issues. Rebooting your device afterward helps reset any stuck network processes. Number three is overloaded or unstable servers. So sometimes connection issues have nothing to do with your device at all. Specific servers may be overloaded or experiencing temporary issues. If you notice lag, buffering, or frequent disconnects, switch to a nearby city, another country with lower load, or a different protocol, which more on that in a sec. The quick connect button does its best to choose a fast server, but it always isn't perfect, so you can go and select your own. Number four is a protocol mismatch. So switching protocols can instantly fix connection connection failures. For example, if WireGuard isn't connecting on public Wi-Fi, switching to OpenVPN or IPEV2 often works because these protocols behave differently and can bypass certain restrictions. WireGuard is usually fastest, but not always the most reliable under strict networks. Number 5 is firewall or antivirus interference. Security software can sometimes block VPN traffic without telling you. As an example, a user installs a new antivirus and suddenly IPVanish won't connect. Adding IPVanish to the antivirus allowed apps list fixes it immediately. On mobile, resetting network settings can clear out old configurations that interfere with the VPN as well. Number 6 is ISP restrictions or network blocks. So sometimes your internet provider blocks or slows down VPN protocols. In this case, use the app's obfuscation features or connect through the SOC 5 proxy. These methods distinguish your VPN traffic or reroute your connection. Number 7, when nothing seems to work, if you tried different protocols, servers, and settings and you still can't connect, it may be a temporary server outage on the IPVanish side. At this point, reaching out to support with your device type, the protocol you're using, the server location, and any error messages are going to help them pinpoint your issue. Okay, now that you understand so much about IPVanish, let's talk about the pros and cons so you can decide if IPVanish is worth investing in. So on the positive side, IPVanish offers a great mix of speed and security. WireGuard significantly improves performance for streaming and downloads. Unlimited simultaneous connections make it a practical choice if you have many devices. The company's no-log policy is another highlight. Although IPVanish had a controversial incident years ago involving user data, new ownership and independent audits have strengthened their privacy stance. Their wide service selection helps you find locations that work best for your needs, and the apps have improved over time and offer accessible features like fast protocol switching, kill switch protection, and split tunneling. These tools give you more freedom to troubleshoot issues without needing advanced technical knowledge. On the downside, IPVanish's past incidents still raises concerns for privacy-focused users. Its US headquarters mean it falls under US data laws, which some people really do prefer to avoid. Streaming performance is hit or miss. IPVanish works for some services, but isn't as reliable as VPNs that specialize in streaming access. Some users do say the interface can feel cluttered and the number of options may feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. Customer support is limited compared to VPNs that offer 24/7 live chat, and response time can vary depending on when you reach out. Next up, let's talk about the different pricing options. Okay, if you want to use our exclusive link down below, you can actually save up to 83%. You can just click subscribe now. So they have a couple of different options here. They've got the 1 month, which is $12.99 per month. They've got the 12 months, which is just $3.33 per month, and that's saving you 74%. And then lastly is the 24 months, which is $2.19 per month, which is saving you 83%. They also do have a 30-day money back guaranteed. So if before that 30 days is up, you are not loving it and it doesn't really fit with your workflow, you can go ahead and get your money back. With each of these plans, it's optimized for streaming, Netflix, Disney+, ESPN, and more, support by phone and 24/7 live chat, apps for everything, encrypted internet access, and independently verified no logs policy like we talked about. Okay, so, I would always recommend going with the 12 or the 24 months because you're gonna get the best price possible and you have a 30-day money back guaranteed. So if you don't love it, you can always get your money back. Even if you try it for 1 month, realize you don't like it, you would still lose that $12.99 rather than getting all of your money back. So that's just my personal recommendation. Okay, so is IPVanish for you? IPVanish is a very solid option if you want strong security, fast connections, and coverage for a lot of devices. It works really well for everyday browsing, torrenting through SOC 5, and casual streaming. However, if you prioritize guaranteed streaming access or require the highest privacy standards, there are some other VPNs that may be a better fit. Its US jurisdiction and past incident are very important things to consider depending on your comfort level. The best way to decide is to test it during the refund window. Try different servers, switch protocols, and see how it performs under your daily conditions. You'll know very quickly if it fits with your workflow. I know how overwhelming it can be to troubleshoot this stuff on your own. You try something, it doesn't work, and then you get frustrated. Then you just want to give up and not use it at all. I 1000% understand this. And that's why we wanted to create this video to really help you troubleshoot so you can get back to using IPVanish smoothly. If you don't already have IPVanish and you want to get started, we do have a link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay safe online with clear and honest explanations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.